Hey everybody, welcome back to the Hurricane channel. Today, I'm going to show you guys how to make a tuna melt sandwich. If you like tuna. But I'm going to show you how to do it in the toaster oven today. First thing I do is I make sure that the temperature is on max heat to get the oven preheated. And I preheat the oven for about 20 minutes while I prepare the tuna and the bread. So, let me show you how to do that. Next, you want to get your can of tuna fish, drain the water or oil, put the tuna in a bowl, and start chopping up your onion and whatever else you like with your tuna. In my tuna melt, I'm going to have onion, lettuce, and mayonnaise. And the cheese comes after. So I mixed the tuna, onion together, and the mayonnaise. Then I put the tuna on the bread, put cheese on top. You can put any cheese you want on top. I just used whatever I had. And next, take and grab a little bit of lettuce. Grab 2 more pieces of bread to make your sandwich. And now I'm going to put these in the toaster oven. Okay, the sandwiches are inside the toaster oven. I'm going to set the timer to, we'll go 15 minutes. We're going to turn our heat up to 300. So our heat is up to 300. Our timer is set for 15 minutes. And we'll come back and check it out. Alright folks, 15 minutes is almost up. And I don't know if you can see on the camera or not, but the bread's starting to darken up. I turned it all the way up to max heat because 300 wasn't doing it. And I think I'm going to add another, just to make sure it's done the way I want it, I'm going to add another 5 minutes to it. I'll see you back in 5 minutes, folks. Alright, folks. The sandwiches are done. I didn't flip my sandwiches like I should have. I mean, they're still toasted. It's just the one side's brown. What happened was, I didn't pull my tray out of my toaster oven so it didn't darken on both sides. Learned from my mistake, but other than that, that's how you make a tuna melt. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you laugh at my mistake. I personally don't care, because I'm eating it anyways. But anyways, stay safe out there, folks, with this coronavirus pandemic. Things are getting crazy. I hope this gives you an idea on what to eat in your kitchen. Hurricane Rip out for now. Please like and subscribe.